25 years ago, we made a bold bet. Not infrastructure, not technology, but talent. Because before any breakthrough, before any industry, before any global impact, there is talent. And by nurturing talent, we could shape the future of innovation.
In my generation, we're all only funded up to bachelor's degree. We have never invested in postgraduate education. If you want to do science, you need to have a postgraduate. The government must invest in R&D. The most important is not just building and facilities, but people. First priority, training our people. It's not a big building that make great, it's people. People make a great company, big university or nation.
Being able to take a long-term approach is one of Singapore's strengths, and we have fully leveraged on this in how we invested in scientific talents. Research is a long-term endeavor. The major development during my tenure with A*STAR was to continue with the talent pipeline effort, improve on it, and most critically, to build on it to open many developmental and career pathways for our scholars to contribute to the RIE ecosystem.
Looking back, the scholarships allowed us to build a strong pipeline of scientific talents, not just for A*STAR, but also for Singapore. Over the years, many A*STAR scholars have gone on to make significant contributions across the entire ecosystem, in A*STAR, in the universities, and in industry. It is this far-reaching impact, well beyond A*STAR, that I believe is the true legacy of the scholarship.
For 25 years, A*STAR has believed in something deeper, not just in science, but in our people, their journeys, achievements, and lasting impact over the years.
We are very excited to learn more about RNA, to study how it can fold into different shapes and how the different shapes enable us to use RNA and to drug RNA. While typically people think of RNA as a linear molecule, it actually folds into complex shapes just like proteins. We develop new methods to study how RNAs can fold inside cells, as well as how they can change under different diseases, and then we can then develop new drugs that can target these RNA structures. The A*STAR Scholarship gave me this wonderful opportunity to be able to work with some of the best scientists in the world.
What shaped the scholar journey was not only training, but the people who made it meaningful. Mentors, peers, collaborators, and a community that has continued to support and inspire across generations.
A*STAR truly shaped my broader vision in one very specific way. It taught me that science is never a solo act. So after my PhD in Stanford University, I joined the Singapore Stanford Biodesign program. We spent a whole year talking to patients, to doctors, and I came out convinced that some of the most important problems in healthcare were not the ones being worked on. So I paused my scientific career and co-founded a medtech company. We licensed the technology out of A*STAR, built the product, got FDA clearance, and were acquired within 5 years. Honestly, at that time, it felt like a detour and it was difficult. But looking back, it was the most formative chapter of my professional life, and A*STAR truly provided that platform to allow me to take this kind of risks.
Quantum science studies matter and energy at the most fundamental level, enabling new technologies that were once thought impossible. At NUS and A*STAR, I work on integrated quantum photonics, developing chips that could power future quantum computer and the communication networks. Getting the A*STAR scholarship was a turning point in my life. My PhD journey was not always straightforward. A*STAR provided tremendous support in helping me kickstart my independent research. With all the exposure and the opportunities as an A*STAR scholar, I found myself called to teaching, where I now help nurture next generation talents for science and technology, bridging curiosity-driven research while staying mission-oriented in making real-world impact.
The A*STAR scholarship really provided me a very strong multidisciplinary foundation and exposed me to such a diverse array of research environment across US and Singapore. And this is such a big global network. It's an opportunity for all of us to stay connected, give back, and also be active members as part of this global network.
A-STAR is very well positioned to address emerging global challenges. We are a very mission-focused organization. We're very clear-minded about the impact that we want to achieve. In A-STAR, we're actively thinking about how we nurture the next generation of scientific entrepreneurs. I would encourage the scholars and the scientists to seek their own path and to really exemplify what entrepreneurship is, which is to solve problems and find your own way.
We build on a dream to dare. Today, that dream is a reality. As we look to the future, the next chapter is a renewed commitment to our people, our talent, and the possibilities they will create.
So over the past 25 years, we have grown an influential community of scientists and engineers. This is an incredible asset. Today, our talented scholars are not just leaders in science, but are also shaping industries, health, and a myriad of other sectors. To our new scholars, you are the authors of the next chapter of this journey. Its future will be shaped by how you think, what you build, and how you choose to serve. Congratulations on 25 years of successful A-STAR scholarships.
Congratulations to all of A-STAR 25th anniversary.
I wish all A-STAR scholars every success.
I'm looking forward to many more years of strong science and impact.
I want to wish all A-STAR scholars every success as you pursue your passion.
I look forward to having even more stronger talent coming to Singapore.
And all best wishes for a fantastic scientific journey ahead of you.
The first 25 years were extraordinary, and the next 25 is yours to create. Happy 25th anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary.